All right, so here's the FIXD, and there's the plug on it. And then underneath my car, my socket is right there. Yours is usually right underneath the driver's side of your dash. Sometimes they put it on the other side, but in my car it's right there. So I just push the app right there, it launches it, and you can see it already knows what my car is. Right up there it says 2017 Volkswagen Passat. It's communicating with the little FIXD device that's under the dash, and now it says no check engine lights detected. Now, I wouldn't think so. I mean, my car is pretty much brand new. I certainly hope there's not a light. But if there had been like a check engine light or some other light that came on the dash, it would tell me right away on this screen. But look at this. If I push this up here, there's every car in my family. There's my car, there's my wife's car, there's my daughter's car. I mean, they're all shown on here, so I can communicate with any one of those and it'll tell me what's going on with the car. Here's my favorite part, right down here. You push this little timeline button and it shows exactly where your car is according to its current mileage. So my car right now has 13,171 miles. It's putting it between 10 and 20,000. There it is right there. This is all the service that needed to be done to my car at 10,000 miles. 20,000 miles, here's the next set of things that I need to do. I need to rotate my wheels and tires. I need to replace my oil filter. It tells me all that. And it even gives me a cost estimate as to how much I should pay for that. If I push this little question mark over here, it even breaks down that estimate. It tells me how many hours of labor I should be paying for and how much the parts should cost.